Welcome back to our podcast at Home on the Lakeshore, where we talk about home loans with our local home loan experts at UnitedOne Credit Union. My name is Mike, and this is a special bonus episode. So we're going to have something new for you today as Carrie and Julie are on assignment. I believe that's what they say, when we have special episodes like this. But we do have someone we'd like you all to meet, and they're going to be joining our show regularly moving forward. We would like to welcome our new member of our local mortgage experts at UnitedOne Credit Union. I'd like you all to say hello to Marla Hitsman.
Hello, everybody.
Hi, Marla. Glad to
Hi.
have you join us. Glad to have you join us on the show today.
Excited to be here.
Excellent. So, I do want to share with our listeners that some of you might be familiar with Marla's name, as she is not new to United One or to our members. You've been with us for many years now, right?
I have, yeah, a little over a decade now. So, yeah,
Wow.
been here a while. I've worked with a lot of members over the years, just not in the mortgage world, and now here I am.
Excellent. Well, welcome to the mortgage side of things. You've always been great with our members. Love your personality. You always bring a smile to the office, and it's exciting that you've been able to help members now all the way through journeys, helping them open accounts, maybe get auto loans, and doing things like that when you were in your member service representative role. And now you'll be helping people achieve that lifelong dream of purchasing their own home or using the equity in their home to make renovations or make expansions to the home or to pay for other things that life throws at us. So, very excited to have you join us on the show. Hopefully, you're excited too.
Very excited. Yes. So excited.
Great. Great. Because you'll be a regular part of the show moving forward. And, Marla is new to the mortgage role, but like I said, does have a lot of experience in the credit union space. So you should feel comfortable if you come into the credit union. She will be serving the Sheboygan area. So, Marla, would you mind sharing a little bit with us about, your life in Sheboygan? Are you from Sheboygan? Is Sheboygan home? I mean, tell us a little bit about your
Sheboygan,
history.
Sheboygan is my home. I am a Sheboygan native, born and raised, third generation. So my roots are strong here. And I love Sheboygan. I feel safe in this community. I'm raising my family here, and I love that I get to serve the community that I live in. So, um, yeah, I'm excited. I haven't lived anywhere else, but I have visited many, many places throughout my lifetime and always come back home. And maybe someday, maybe in long time from now, retirement age, I might make my way down south where it's a little bit warmer in the winter. But so far, I'm happy here in Sheboygan.
Excellent. Well, we're glad to have you. We're happy to have you here. And, being a Sheboygan native, you probably know all the great hot spots in Sheboygan and places to go. What are some places that you like to either go with yourself or friends or family? What are some of the places that you like to to go when you're out and about around town?
So the lake is a great um, visiting point here. So going to the beach is always fun. We have, North Beach and South Beach, so you could go to either one really. Um, they have food truck nights here in the summer, where all the community can come out and try out the food trucks down at Volrath Bowl at the park. Um, Evergreen is a beautiful park to go to, like visiting there. Maywood, Bookworm Gardens is always fun to go to. It's free and you get to see all the beautiful scenery and check out the books. Good family fun. Um, the restaurants around here are awesome. There's some really good ones. Bo Malley's is awesome. It's my cousin's
Hmm.
restaurant, so got to plug her in there.
Shameless
Um,
plug, right?
yeah, right. But yeah, I mean, there's really good food and, great entertainment. Levitt Amp series this summer downtown, and also the shops downtown are great. Got to check them out.
Yeah, there's a lot of unique shops in downtown Sheboygan. Speaking of the Levitt Concert Series, we are a proud sponsor and supporter of that series all summer long in partnership with the KMAC down there and putting that on. So United One is proud to support that local entertainment for family and folks to come down and check out live music outdoors. There's just something special about that. So we like to
Absolutely.
go down there. Yes. Any other favorite hot spots or places that you like to go, or maybe when you have family or friends visit from out of town that you're like, oh, we've got to go and try this?
I mean, I don't want to say it's cliche, but like Blue Harbor is one of those spots that's kind of fun to check out and um you know, because that's right by the lake and if you want to get out of like if it's winter, it's a good spot to go to get some energy out in the water park. So that is always fun. I'm trying to think of any other spots. All my family's from here, so it's like when you have family come visit, it's like, oh, I guess we could go to the restaurants that are, have been staples in this, in our community, like Schultz's. I mean, they're cash only, and it's the old school like charcoal grilled burgers, and it's like a
Mm,
diner type thing with, that has the good cheese curds. So
yeah.
definitely stop
you
there.
know, it's legit, right?
Yep,
Yeah.
you know it is. But yeah, stopping. Yeah, I can't really. It's terrible. I can't think of anything off the top of my head. It's just
Oh,
lived here my
you've
whole
covered
life, so
enough.
it's like,
You've covered a lot. People know. You've proven you live here, right?
okay, good. Whew.
Nobody was doubting that for a moment, but we're glad to have you join us on our podcast at home on the lakeshore. Happy to have you join Carrie and Julie. I know you've already learned so much from them and will continue to learn more. We're
Yeah.
not kidding when we say we do have the local home loan experts right here at United One Credit Union. And make no mistakes, Marla is one of those experts as well. She is learning from the best, and she has them for support as well. So if you're in the Sheboygan market, in the Sheboygan area, and you are looking to either purchase a home, maybe it's your first home, maybe it's a second home, maybe it's a summer home, or if you're trying to use the equity in your home, don't hesitate. Don't be shy to reach out to Marla. More than happy to help you, and she'd be great to work with. So I would have no hesitancy whatsoever to recommend people in the Sheboygan area from reaching out to Marla and booking an appointment with her, giving her a call, reaching out and learning more. So we have the experts to help you out. Marla, are there some other things that you want to let people know that you could help them with when it comes to home buying, home building, home remodels, or utilizing the equity they've built in their home?
I mean, you're touching all those key points right there. If you're in the market of purchasing a home, first time home buyer, the process can be a lot, and if you've never gone through it, I'm here to help you along every step of the way, answer any questions that you have. People that have, lived in their home for a long time, there's equity there that you probably have to work with. If you have, a remodeling project coming up, you want to utilize some of that equity, that's a great option. We can talk about that. If you want to build, I mean, there's so many options we could look to utilize here, and United One has some really great mortgage products for our members. So if you are interested in any of those things, definitely book an appointment. I'd love to sit down and connect with you, discuss what it is you're looking for, and really cater to something that would be best suited for you. And that's kind of where my niche is I that's what I love about lending in general is finding that little pocket that's meant for you,
Mm.
and making it work, and making you happy with what you're getting. That's what we're here for. So yeah.
Yep, understanding all the options and being comfortable. That's the beauty of working with a local home loan expert. The key word there being, of course, the local expert. So that's somebody that you can reach out to with a phone call or a text, or yes, even stopping by a branch. Recommend making appointments because we know our experts get busy,
Oh
but
yeah.
still, you have somebody that you can talk to that's a person that lives right here in our communities and understands our neighborhoods and the areas that we live. So thank you very much, Marla. Welcome to the group. Excited to have you join us and looking forward to you sharing more of your expertise as we move forward in future episodes of this podcast.
Yeah, me too. I'm excited.
Excellent. All righty, folks. Well, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this episode, a special episode, a little shorter than our other ones, but that's okay. We'll be back soon with another full episode featuring Carrie and Julie back in the saddle alongside Marla and I, as we'll be exploring more topics based on home loans, home buying, home equity, basically anything and everything around home loans and home and mortgages in our area. So thank you again for joining us this week, and we will see you again soon. Take care, everyone.